Example of DPF Emulator installation in Yanmar engine. Locate two temperature sensors and the differential pressure sensor. Dismantle the cover to gain access to the CAN diagnostic plug. Locate the CAN diagnostic plug. Disconnect the two temperature sensors and the differential pressure sensor. Connect the plugs from the emulator's wiring harness. You can recognize the first temperature sensor by black plug and the second temperature sensor by gray plug. Strip the isolation from the two canvas signal wires in the diagnostic plug. Solder inline the two wires from the emulator's wiring harness to the canvas signal wires in the diagnostic plug. Do not cut the wires. Secure the connection. Connect the emulator to the harness.